Publishing one book on KDP is great, but if you want real income, quantity matters. Let's talk about how to publish faster without burning out. Low content books like journals, puzzle books, and trackers rely on volume. Each book is a small income stream, so the more books you publish, the more chances you have to earn. But here's the problem: most beginners publish one book, get discouraged, and quit. Consistency is what actually brings results. Designing a book interior from scratch takes time. Even something simple like a daily journal means you will have to lay out dozens of pages, format them, and make sure they are print ready. Now multiply that by 10 or 20 books, and you will see why most people give up. If you want to publish more consistently, BookBolt helps you move faster. It gives you done for you interiors, a drag and drop editor, and even lets you generate variations fast. So you're not stuck rebuilding every book from zero. You can then focus on publishing instead of formatting. Check out BookBolt using the link below and start scaling your KDP income today.